Hello students, we'll solve a problem for finding the intersection points. Okay, so this is the window and the window coordinates have been given, that is A, B, C, D. Here A is 50-50, that means here it is, this is X minimum, this is Y minimum. That means at this point X and Y both are minimum and these are the values of X minimum and Y minimum. This point is B and at this point it is X maximum, Y maximum. This point is C, so here also it is X maximum, Y maximum, and this is D, and D here it is X minimum, Y minimum. So here it will be minimum and at these points they will be maximum, and this is the point or this is the line which they have given us for clipping, that is P1 P2 is the line and its coordinates. These coordinates we'll call them as x1 y1 and this coordinates we'll find it as x2 y2. So this line you can see that partially it is outside, partially it is inside, and here it is outside. So this region has to be clipped and only this region will be visible in the window as output. So what we have to do here is we have to find out two intersection points. Okay, and this intersection point is known as I1, this intersection point is known as I2, and hope you all remember this diagram: left border, right border, upper border and bottom border. Okay, so here the line is crossing to the left border. The line is crossing to the left border. If the line is crossing left border, we know that we have to take the X value as X minimum. I had told that if it is crossing left border, we have to take X minimum. So here you have to take I1 is the first intersection point and X value is X minimum because this is the left border, and we have to find out Y. X minimum for this left border is here. Okay, so consider this X minimum for left border here. So X minimum is 50, so take here as 50. Don't consider these points. So X minimum here at this left border is 50 and we have to find out Y. Okay, so this is intersection 1. Next, intersection 2. This is the upper border. Okay, and according to the previous diagram we had seen that if a line is crossing upper border, we have to take Y as Y max. Okay, so as the line is crossing the upper border I2, here X we should find out and Y should be taken as Y max, and Y max here is 40. Okay, Y max here is 40. Don't take Y minimum, take Y maximum, because for this line you have to consider Y maximum. So Y maximum here is 40. We have to find out X. So we have to find out I1, I2, and in I1 we have to find out Y, and in I2 we have to find out X. Okay, so hope you all have understood this diagram. Now let us consider the slope of this line. Okay, we have to find the slope of this line, and the slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So what you will get here is 45 minus 50, 75 minus 40. So m is here 0.857. We have found out m. Now here P1 is 40, 15. We will take that as x1 y1, and P2 is 75 45. We will consider that as x2 y2. So P1 40 15 is x1 y1, P2 75 45 is x2 y2. Okay, so when you are finding the x and y values for this one, okay, when you are finding the x and y value for this one, formula will be x is equals to x1 plus 1 by m y minus y1. So here it is x1 y1 when to find x, and to find the y value for this point it will be y1 plus m x minus x1, because x1 y1 x1 y1. But when you are considering for the second point, the formula you should take it as x2 y2 for x, and y you should take it as x2 y2. That means for this formula, the formula you have to take x1 y1 here, and for this point you have to take x2 y2 in the formula. Okay, so don't get confused here. Now we'll find the first intersection point, that is I1 x minimum comma y. So we are finding down the I1. Here I1, it is nothing but x minimum and comma y. X minimum we know it is 50. Now we have to find out the y value. Okay, so I1 is x minimum comma y. I1, here x minimum is 50. We have to find out y. So the formula for finding y is y1 plus m x minus x1, because this intersection is considering this point. So we have to take x1 y1, not x2 y2. For I1 we should consider x1 y1, and for I2 we should consider x2 y2. So the formula for finding y is, we have already derived this previously, y is equals to y1 plus m x minus x1. Okay, so y1 is how much here? 15. Okay, 15 plus slope we have already calculated. What is the slope? 0.857. 0.857, and x is nothing but x minimum, whose value was 50, minus x1. How much is x1 here? 40. Okay, so after calculating this, we will get y as 23.563. So I1 will be 50 comma 23.563. This we have to round it up to an integer value, because decimal values we cannot, floating point values you cannot mark in the graph. So it will be I1 50 comma, we'll round it up 24. So I1 will be 50 comma 24. Okay, next we have to calculate I2. In that I2 x we have to find out. Y is nothing but y max, which is 40. Okay, so find the second intersection points, that is I2 x comma y max is equals to I2 x is not, we have to find out y max is 40. Here y max is 40. Okay, so here we have to find out x value. So the formula for x is x2 plus 1 by m y minus y2. Hope you all understood why I took x2 y2. x2 y2 because this is intersection point related to this point. So we are considering x2 y2. Here it was to this point. So here we had considered x1 y1. So I2 x comma y max, I2 x comma 40. Formula for finding x is x2 plus 1 by m y minus y2. So what is the value of x2? Value of x2 is 75. Okay, 75 plus 1, slope is already there, 1 divided by 0.857. Y is already y max 40, minus y2 is how much here? 45. So y2 is 45. So after calculating you will get x. So I2 will be 69.2 comma 40. So you are round it up. So I2 will be 69 comma 40. Okay, so the intersection point I1 is 50 comma 24. Okay, and for I2 it is 69 comma 40. So this means that the point 40 to 15 to 50 to 24. So this point has to be clipped. That is the line from 40 to 15 and to the first intersection I1 50 to 24 should be clipped. And this thing, that is from 69 to 40 and up to 75 to 45 should be clipped. So what remains is the line from 50 to 24 and 69 to 40, only this will be displayed in the window. So this is how you calculate the intersection points.